at 21 and 10 at 22. You can't walk a mile up in my shoe. I ain't nothing like you. You can't walk a mile up in my shoe. You don't do what I do. I'm the living truth, the living proof. You could be whatever, never wanted fame.
Yo, what's up guys? Welcome to the vid. We're going to LA right now. We're currently running late, so I gotta pick up the pace. My friends are already on the metro, so I gotta meet up with them on my metro. I finally got the foot brake, the 450 Master, bro. It's so good with the e-bike garage mount and the real Ultra B caliper for the foot brake, because before I had the Amazon fake one. Bro, it's so good. The real Nissan, bro, barely moves. Like barely moves. It's like amazing. I'm also like now crazy at foot brake hand drags. Like it's so good. I can almost full palm now. So now I'm gonna try the double hand drag again. Hopefully I don't loop, knock on wood. All right guys, so I'm gonna see you guys back when I'm on the metro. Let's go. Alright guys, we made it to LA. We're like super late. We got a pretty good big group from the metro. Yo. How far are we?
Huh?
How far are we?
Well, 1.5 miles. They already left. But they're going to a gas station.
Alright, bet. We're running like 15 minutes late, but we'll make it. They're supposedly stopped at a gas station right now, so we should be good. You kept the VTB?
Yeah, I kind of like it now.
See?
Right. Oh, they're so far away. Whoa. Oh, wait. We gotta go back, hit it right, and then we're there.
Good one.
What's in that store?
Yo, we're at the jump, we're the Tesla jump.
I can let my friend. Charlie.
Yo guys, we made it to the Metro Rideout finish, so we're gonna head back to Long Beach right now. I'll keep you guys back. Alright guys, made it back to LB. Ow. Yo, what's up guys? We're on the RSF right now. Quick little segment in the video. Haven't rode this bike in a little bit, so we're going mob on it today. For a little. I learned how to hand drag it, so I'll show you guys that soon. Just gotta warm up the brakes a little. It feels so weird being on a little bike, but it's still mobs. So I'm trying to trade this bike or sell these bikes. This bike, my MX650, all modded, and my Light V for a Suron, like a modded Suron, or sell it and buy an Ultra V. So one of those. I might trade for a Light V because I saw a chrome Light V and it's so clean. That was so dialed. If only I could push in my front caliper. I remember when I would daily this. So long ago. This in the YZ85. Bro, it hand drags so easily. See how quick my front wheel stops? I need to push in my pads, or like push in my piston. But I don't think it works, like reset my piston. I'd have to like take it off. Cause I pushed it with my feet like an Ultra V and it didn't work. So I'd like have to take it off and probably with a screwdriver. Hand drag. So easy, bro. Like look it. I can even just lay back and I touch the floor. No, that's so crazy. Like if I try to do that on my Ultra V, it's so hard because how high it is. Watch me like die before I get home. That would be messed up. This thing mobs though. I'm in mode 2 right now, out of 3. Yo, it still pops, bro. It pops at any speed. Mode 3, it's so crazy. It'll pop at like 40. I got used to the front wheel being soft. Glides. I got a Suron seat on this, Suron rear fender, Suron brake. 72 volt power. Alright, I'm gonna meet up with my friend right now. Oh, plane flying off.
at 21 and 10 at 22. You can't walk a mile up